guys, welcome to Chef Shahn's cooking show. Today we're going to make Shah Halal's and Naz Halal's chicken or rice. This recipe is very original, and by the time you're done with this video, you'll be able to make this at home. Let's begin! The ingredients are 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, half tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and Shan Tandoori masala, 3 tablespoons of it. The other ingredients are 2 pounds of chicken breast, 4 tablespoons of oil, 6 tablespoons of vinegar, and 6 to 8 tablespoons of egg shade food color. Now I'm gonna cover this and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. While the chicken is in the fridge, let's see the ingredients for the rice. 2.5 cups of Sella Rice, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of salt or to taste, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 pinch of Garam Masala, and 1 chicken cube. 1 tablespoon of gravy master, 5 tablespoons of oil, and make sure you soak the rice for 1 hour. After the rice soaking in water for 1 hour, it should look like this. Now we're going to mix all these into this bowl, and also this 2/3 cup of water. And now we're going to microwave it in there. I microwaved this for 1 minute because for 30 seconds it didn't really work, so I did it for 1 minute, and it should look like this now. Now you have to put in the rice in here, 3 cups of water, and that, and then you're gonna cover it up and click rice. And you need a rice cooker or an instant pot. I'm using an instant pot, and for this one my father's gonna help me. While the rice is being ready, we're going to make super tasty white sauce. The ingredients are 2 cups of mayo, 1 tablespoon level garlic powder, half teaspoon of dill weed, half teaspoon level black pepper, sugar 3 or 4 pinch, and vinegar 2/3 cup. And you have to mix it. My father's going to help me mix it. Now it should look like that. Now we're gonna make red hot sauce. The ingredients are 1 cup of red chili powder, 1 cup of vinegar, half cup of garlic powder, half teaspoon salt or to taste, 1/4 cup of oil, and for enhancing the color, we put 3 tablespoons of egg shade color. And now we're gonna mix it. And if it's too thick, we're gonna put in water or either vinegar. And my father's gonna help me mix it up. And now we're gonna mix it up. Since it's too thick, we're gonna put in water. Since this is too thick, we're gonna put in 1 cup of vinegar. And now we're gonna mix it. Still too thick, so we're going to put a little bit of water. Hot sauce is done. Finally, the rice, the white sauce, and the red sauce is done. And now we're gonna cook the chicken, and my father's gonna help me. First, put on some non-stick spray. Now put in the chicken. Put a lid over it. After 3 or 5 minutes, you can turn over the chicken. Now that the tasty chicken is ready, I'm going to put on a plate and cut it. And I'm going to put on some toppings on it. The toppings I use is green peppers and onions. Now we're going to cut the chicken into small little pieces. Now we're going to put it into the pan. And we're going to put some toppings on it. I use green pepper. I added a little too much, so I'm just going to put away some. And now we're going to add some onions. salad. And some white sauce. Just pour it all over it. And then some red sauce. Just a little bit. And yeah, that's your chicken or rice. Now that my chicken or rice is done, I'm gonna taste it. It's really delicious and good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and hit the bell notifications. Bye.